Hello, Anya Alice is here. I hope you all having an amazing day. This is my first YouTube video and I hope you all like it. Today I want to talk with you about 5-minute opening range breakout strategy. Look at this trade Andrew made on Friday on Nvidia. So nice, so clean execution of 5-minute opening range breakout strategy. And I actually saw a few more screenshots on Twitter where other members of Bearable Traders took an advantage of this strategy on different stocks. On Apple, I guess I saw a screenshot, on Tesla, Nvidia again, and I guess AMD as well. Unfortunately not me, simply because I sleep too long. I woke up around like 6:40, 6:50, and while I got to my laptop, the move already happened. It made me a little sad. But we all have a rule. Don't chase a move if you missed it. There is opportunities tomorrow, after tomorrow, like in a week, every day basically. If you missed an entry, don't chase it. So, and actually I haven't had any trades on Friday, but still it's good to analyze someone's trades. It is good to practice, it's good to replay, it is good to train our brain. Here is a question. Is that easy? Can we just go long or short on second, third, first candle as soon as it breaks in like lower or high of first 5-minute candle? Unfortunately not. Basically 1-minute opening range breakout or like 5-minute opening range breakout strategies gives us an idea where we can execute our big idea, main idea. For example, if our main idea to go short on a stock, but we don't know when and where exactly and where to put our stop loss. So when 5-minute opening range breakout happening, setup with ABCD, for example, pattern, how it happened on Nvidia, we're gonna replay this trade with you together on Trading Terminal Simulator and see. So it gives us an idea where we can execute our plan to go short on a stock. It doesn't tell us itself that, or we have to go short because it's breaking 5-minute opening range, right? So we should look at bigger picture. We should have this idea to go short or long based on some criteria before this setup happened. That's what I wanted to tell you. Let's get to my screen to look at this Nvidia trade from all this perspective. I put my jacket on since it's a little cold. Okay, let's look at 60-minute chart, how it look like, to make some analysis and maybe to create some scenarios based on what we see on pre-market. So at the end of September, then Nvidia was stuck on this range. Then we broke it up, then it was acting as a support, we broke it down, we went all the way down, and here in the last few days we established kind of a new range. On all the CPI data we broke it down, then unbelievable day happened on Thursday. Everything just went up and out and up to the sky. That doesn't have much logic, so but it's okay. It is what it is. So we went all the way up through this range and we actually got rejected from this level 120.07, which was acting as a support earlier right here. So we got rejected from it. We were holding it after market, we were holding it on pre-market, and like 20 minutes before the market opened, we tried to push up. This green line is a weekly high. We tried to push up to this 121.95, this range level, lower level, and we got rejected from it again. So what my thoughts if I see a chart like this? So where we can go long? So we can go long if we break this level 121.95 to the long side, then maybe retest it and go all the way to 126.16. Or if to go short, we should go through all this support resistance, and we can go, and if we break 118 or 8, there is a chance that we can go to the middle of the range or all the way down to the bottom of this range, 112.02 basically. So to take a trade somewhere here, it seems like pretty dangerous because we can chop here all day. This is a third scenario. So, and already having these few scenarios, we can play the market, the price action, to see if there is any additional patterns, setups happen that can tell us, is it gonna like break most likely this level along to the long side or this level to the short side? Let's play and see. As we see on pre-market, when it was rejected from level 121.95, it kind of established little trend to the downside. On the first 1 minute candle, it tried to push over this trend line, but it got rejected again, and we start moving lower, which is already giving us an idea. As you see, we are very close to this 118.08 level, which is right here. So most likely, if we're gonna bounce from it and come back, or we're gonna break it, and there is a chance that we can go through all this range area. So let's keep play it and see. 9:35, we established this 5-minute opening range area. As soon as we did it, so basically there is two scenarios to play 5-minute opening range breakout right now. Would we play it up or to the long side here if it just break this area? If you're a scalper, maybe, but knowing that this hard resistance is on the way and it can reject from there really quick, I would never go to the long side. Even if it's break this 5-minute opening range to the long side, I would never take it. But to the short side, it looks more interesting because the lower level of 5-minute opening range actually is lower than a support 118.08. Let's continue to see what we're gonna do next. Are we gonna like have another confirmation, any pattern that gonna show us what way we're gonna go? And here actually this pattern happening, that called ABCD pattern. You see, soon actually Trading Terminal Simulator gonna have all features, all the studies. We can add moving averages, exponential averages, Camarilla pivot points, draw different lines. So it's gonna have a lot of features. So, but until it doesn't, I will just tell you, and you can check on your chart, that somewhere here was a VWAP and 9 moving average, whatever, 20 moving average. So basically, these two candles showing us really nice that it's trying to push through VWAP, but it doesn't have enough power for that, and we start slowly moving downside. And that is telling us that we might have another nice pattern, A, B, C, D, which is A, B, C, D. So for potential breakdown, for potential break also our 118.08 level. So, and as soon as we start making a lower, so we took off these two candles. So here where we can kind of loading our position for the break of 5-minute opening range and for the break of 118.08 level. We slowly can take some partials. On the way. So that's basically how the trade could look like. So not itself 5-minute opening range breakout give us an idea to go short or long. So we should have a little more information based on higher time frame charts. We should have our levels on the chart to see like are we shorting like against some like strong support or are we going long against some resistance. This information is very important when we take a trade, like 1 minute opening range breakout or 5 minute opening range breakout. This is actually it. This is how my small analysis looks like. This is how my learning process looks like. That's what I do with my trades. I'm analyzing them after, because sometimes I do spontaneous trades. I'm analyzing also someone's trades if they look good, because it's all learning process. When we are trading during leave, it's a lot of pressure, it's a lot of stress, and we can't do it all in a second. But while we're doing it like again and again and again and again, we kind of build in that memory, and while we trade leave, we can recognize the setups really quick. So if you like this video, don't forget to push a like button. If you have any questions, just answer them on the comments and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Don't forget to practice your trades. Trading Terminal Simulator is a great tool for that. Also, if you're interested in day trading education, check bearbulltraders.com, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Anya Alice. I'll see you soon. Bye.